Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. This one is very unusual. Little tiny radio. The name on it is stormready.org from Sacramento County. I guess this was a giveaway. It's an AM FM radio. Got a clip on the back here. Carrying strap. I think this must have went to something else. Connected to something else. Uses two AAA batteries. And there's the earphone jack. And it does not have a speaker. And my guess is it uses the cable to the earphones, as an antenna. And what Jeff included, let me get this out of the way, put this down. He included this neat little thing. It's an amplified speaker system, stereo. Uses two AAA batteries. And then right here, you see this thing right here? That is the cable. And so you open this up. I say you open that up. And then it exposes the cable so you can take it out. And that's also, it's marked that this is the stand. So you pull that out. And then you can set that down. And I can move my camera so you can still see it. There we go. And then I will plug this into this radio. This radio also has a light. Whoops, where'd it go? Has a light right there. Push the button there. Light comes on temporarily. There's the low, high for the audio. AM and FM, volume on, off. And then buried down in there is the dial. And the tune, you have this little knob up here. This little wheel up here. And we're going to turn it on. And we got to turn this on first so we can get some audio. There, the green light's on, so that means it's on. I don't see any way to control the volume. So I guess it's whatever the volume is, and you adjust it from the source's volume. So we're going to turn this on. I heard a click. And I'll tune the radio. And like I say, it probably uses this for the FM antenna. And it's on. Okay, it's on AM now. And we'll turn the volume up. We'll turn it this way. I think that's the way it wants to be. Okay, there it is. Let's turn the volume up some more. Wrong way. No, that was the right way. Seems strange. Okay. Not getting a lot of volume out of it. Trying to see how directional it is on AM. I can see, I don't see any volume. No, it's strictly just on off. Okay, we're struggling a little bit here. I got the volume turned all the way up on this thing. And let's see if this makes any difference. Yeah, that turned it off. Okay, we'll leave that there then. And let's see what we can get. Oh, that's volume. What am I doing? Tuning is up here on the top. It's receiving, but I'm not getting much audio out of here. Now, it could be the batteries. I used some used batteries because I didn't have enough AAA. That could be it. I mean, it's receiving okay. It's just that it's really low. Let me make sure I get this plug. Well, It wasn't plugged in all the way, but that didn't help. So it's receiving quite a few stations. It's just, I don't have much volume. Okay, that's the end of the dial. So we'll go to FM and we'll tune back down. Now there again, I think it's using the cable for the antenna. So the audio is good, it's just not much of it. Yeah, it's getting plenty of stations.
Cool story. While Thomas Edison didn't invent
This is a Sony SRS T33.
and early bulbs made commercial success impossible.
And like I say, it might be the batteries I'm using were kind of weak because I had to use used batteries because this one required AAAs and that required AAAs. What I'll do is I'll take the batteries out of something else and just see if that helps. And I'll put a comment down below if it helped. If it didn't help, I won't put a comment. Good sound, just not much of it. Okay, that's it. Pretty interesting. Stormready.org. Must have been a giveaway for this organization, stormready.org. Sacramento County. Kind of interesting. It's clear case, so you can see the electronics down in there. It goes around like that. There's the batteries. And it could be, could be the batteries in here too that are weak. I don't know. I didn't check the condition of the batteries. I have a box of used batteries that I've used like 1 or 2 times for doing demonstrations, and that's what I grabbed because that's all I had for AAA batteries. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning these radios. We got one more to go in this batch, and we'll be done. Have a great New Year's Eve and day. Bye-bye.